So one of the things that you can do in VLC Media Player is apply out skin of your choice as well. So over here in VLC Media Player, I want to download skins. So you can go ahead onto any website which offers Videoland or VLC Media Player skin. And in my case, I'm using videoland.org/VLC/skins.php, where I have some skins that I can utilize. So let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and utilize this this skin right here. So I can simply go ahead and click on download to go ahead and then save up the skin right here. Let me just go ahead and keep it, and I have downloaded this onto desktop. So now over here in VLC Media Player, what you can do is you can go around over here onto tools, and then you can go around over here onto preferences, and then use custom skin. So over here in skin resource file, I can go ahead and choose, and then go around over here and choose the one that I want. So I got the earth red right here, the skin that I downloaded. So I can go ahead and press OK, and then click on save right here. And now once you do that, you need to go ahead and then restart out VLC Media Player. So once you go ahead and do that, you will be able to see your skin. So this is the skin right here. This is VLC Media Player, as you can see now right here. So now this is what you have, and as you click on it, you get the video as well, and this is the video player. You can go ahead and right click, and if you want to change back to the old skin, you can go to the interface, onto preferences again, use native skin right here, and then click on save, and then close it and restart out again. So once I go ahead and close it and restart, now it gets back to the old skin once more. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize VLC skins inside a VLC Media Player. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.